today's series. Today we are going to start a new welcome. I'm going to record you and then continue to see how it is.
Testing mic, 1, 2, 3.
Again.
Testing mic, 1, 2, 3.
So as it is now, I've recorded the scene. We will do a basic editing, cut, paste.
Testing mic, 1, 2, 3.
So this selection tool, the selection tool, whatever is the starting, I'll put it in the middle side, and when I put it there, I start play, it will be playing from there. Yes. Yes. See, it will start playing from there. It's testing mic once.
Testing mic, 1, 2, 3. Testing mic, 1, 2, 3.
Because I started from there. So if I start from the initial part, it will be testing mic.
Testing mic, 1, 2, 3.
Yes. So when you highlight it, to play with you only the highlighted.
Testing mic.
Again.
Testing mic.
Because it is highlighted, it will play only that side. And when it is highlighted, you can do this editing. You can cut, delete, copy, paste, and even duplicate. When it is highlighted, that's where you can do a lot of things like that. So I highlighted it, I click delete, and it is deleted. So it remains one of the testing mic.
Testing mic, 1, 2, 3.
Yes. So if I want to bring it back, Ctrl Z on your keyboard to bring it back. When you highlighted, all these effects can be applied. So we shall deal with them very soon as we progresses. So stay tuned. So let me delete it and import an audio file to show you more of the tools as we continue. So as import audio, I'll go look for the audio file, import it, and then we continue from there. So looking for the audio file. So it is open and loading. Yes, this is the file which we want to work on it. So I'll start playing and see how it is. It's too loud. Okay. We're going to use this tool called the envelope tool. Adjust the volume. So put on the gray side, left click, and bring the volume down. Yes. I can go to the other side of the click, left click, and lift it up. So that is the envelope tool. You can use it to adjust the volume of the song. So you can see it will be slow from down, and as it progresses, it will be louder. All right. So I want to level them. We continue from there using the envelope to take it, normalize it to where it is. Yes. But it's too long, so I want to cut some out of it. So we highlighted, if you highlight it, then you use these scissors to cut. You can also use delete on your keyboard and it will be deleted. It's still too long. I'm still cutting more. Use the scissors, cut, and it will be gone. So, as it is, I can use the magnify glass to left click on it and it will be fading in. When I right click, it will be fading out. I can use this slide to slide it left and right. Yes, but there's a special tool which when you want to use that one tool now, which is the slide, that one until slide it back and bring it to the accurate place where you want to start playing the music. So the selection to, so let's say magnify it again using the magnifying glass. I think this is okay. We will continue in the next video. Subscribe and bring in your comments. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.